Hello and thank you for watching the US Gold Blog's video on choosing gold for your IRA. If you're thinking about investing in precious metals, we've attempted to offer information that will assist you in starting or diversifying your portfolio. We will propose 3 gold businesses at the conclusion of this video. Each of these 3 companies has excellent gold professionals that can help you. The description below contains links to all 3 companies. We were requested by the attorneys to deliver this disclosure statement.
What is a gold IRA and how does it work? Do you really want to trust governments and banks with your retirement? How would you want to be sitting on an investment that has outperformed the stock market by 400%? If you had bought gold a decade ago, that's what you would have now. Gold has increased in value by 400% over the last 10 years. Despite the fact that the price of gold has increased by almost 500% since 1999. Many people feel that it is still undervalued at its current level. According to some analysts, gold might shortly soar by another 50%. Nonetheless, despite being one of the market's best performing sectors, this is just a small portion of the gold story. Gold is both valuable and secure. The price of gold will climb as the national debt limit eventually increases and the value of the currency declines. Today, our government's debt is at an all-time high. The dollar is no longer regarded as the repository of wealth that it once was. Gold, on the other hand, has been a secure sanctuary for riches for over 5,000 years. What is it with gold? Gold is nature's asset. Gold, unlike other paper assets, is neither diluted nor devalued. The value of gold is not determined by governments or financial entities. Gold has generally moved in the opposite direction of equities. Even throughout the previous decade, when our economy was undergoing one of its most turbulent times in history, gold beat the stock market. Gold, unlike money, cannot be printed and, unlike stocks, cannot be combined or divided. It's no coincidence that gold has been the most common form of wealth storage throughout history. As a result, including gold in your retirement portfolio may be your best bet for safeguarding your nest egg in the long term. Why isn't your financial advisor advising you to invest in precious metals? Simply put, financial advisors are only permitted to promote publicly listed products. Some financial advisors may advise you to invest in precious metal exchange-traded funds or mining stocks. Precious metals stocks are a means to profit from the rise of the precious metals industry. Instead of advocating precious metals investments, they will do this. Investing in exchange-traded funds and mining stocks, however, is not the same as investing in precious metals. Precious metals, as previously said, are physical assets. Exchange-traded funds, like any other paper asset, are vulnerable to the same variables that affect the stock market, such as inflation, business profitability, and corporate malfeasance. What every investor should know: whether you're a seasoned investor or have never invested in gold or other precious metals before, there are several things that all investors should be aware of in order to protect themselves. Don't invest your hard-earned retirement assets until you've obtained the most up-to-date information. Don't wait for another market crisis to start safeguarding your hard-earned retirement assets. The moment has come. It's time to get ready for a tumultuous future. Now that so many individuals want to possess this valuable physical gold, it only makes sense that they would want to put it in an IRA to help protect their retirement. Many retirement plans have suffered big setbacks in recent years, but many who invested correctly in gold are quite satisfied now, particularly those who joined the gold market early enough. That isn't to imply you've missed the boat. On the contrary, things are just getting started. It's difficult to find many statements from powerful businesses or financial specialists claiming that now is not the time to invest in gold. Many individuals just do not have the additional funds necessary to purchase this valuable commodity. Therefore, it makes perfect sense to utilize their retirement funds as a great beginning place for their gold IRA investment. An investment in a self-directed gold IRA. One of the greatest methods to begin a gold IRA investment is to roll it over and convert it to a self-directed gold IRA. You must do things this way because your 401k will not allow you to possess actual precious metal. Thus, you must make what is widely known as a 401k rollover to the specific IRA that will enable you to hold real gold inside it. You may also convert your existing IRA to a gold IRA, and the beauty of a self-directed gold IRA is that you aren't limited to keeping just predefined metal in that account. You also receive all of the fantastic tax advantages that come with a gold IRA investment plan. Adding gold to a Roth IRA is an excellent method to get tangible gold. One of the most significant advantages is that no storage is needed. It's a very secure and sensible approach to investing in gold without exposing yourself to additional danger or stress. You don't have to worry about transportation or storage since everything is taken care of for you. Because you make all of the choices in a self-directed IRA, it makes sense for anybody who has once invested to want to do it again. When creating a self-directed gold IRA, you may invest in as much gold and silver as you like. You can handle it yourself from start to end, without relying on the advice of third parties, who may not always have your best interests in mind. There are several advantages to converting your IRA to precious metals. If you are interested in investing in an IRA, we would appreciate it if you consulted with one of our gold IRA partners. We do earn a commission, and we are appreciative of your support. We've listed the top 3 gold IRA companies, in no particular order. First, Birch Gold Group, second, Gold Co., and third, Augusta Precious Metals. Again, these are in no particular order. If you would like to learn more, then click one of their links in the description below and request free information on Precious Metals IRA. Again, thanks for viewing our video.